Der Nominativ, the nominative case. Let's do another review of the nominative case to see if you can still remember the adjective endings. Again, I will show you some pictures and you can tell me what you see on the pictures. So, this is an old house. How do you say, this is an old house? Das ist ein altes Haus. House is neuter. This is a poor man. Das ist ein armer Mann. Masculine. This is an expensive car. Remember, expensive means teuer. Das ist ein teures Auto. Auto is neuter and teuer is the adjective, but when you decline it, you don't say teures, you say teures. When an E follows the R, when you have adjectives like that, the E in front of the R is taken off. So, ein teures. There are not many adjectives like that. For now, just remember this rule for teuer. So, das ist ein teures Auto. How do you say, these are colorful flowers? Das sind bunte Blumen. Now it's a plural, so it's not das ist, but das sind, these are. Das sind bunte Blumen. This is a big cow. Das ist eine dicke Kuh. Dick means big in that way, and groß just means big in general. And tall as well. So, das ist eine dicke Kuh. This is healthy food. Yeah, do you remember healthy? That's gesund. Gesund. This is healthy food. Das ist gesundes Essen. So you cannot count Essen, food in general. That's why you can leave the article out, like in English. This is healthy food. Das ist gesundes Essen. So the adjective gets the S at the end, like in the indefinite declension. You just do not say ein. Das ist gesundes Essen. And how do you say this is bad food? Das ist schlechtes Essen. If you talk about one specific plate full of food, then you can say das ist ein schlechtes Essen. But then you talk about that specific food, not about food in general. This is a lazy cat. Lazy means faul. Ja, das ist eine faule Katze. And these two, these are a happy man and a happy woman. How do you say that? Das sind, because you talk about two people, das sind ein glücklicher Mann und eine glückliche Frau. And now we have two animals. These are a small and a big elephant. Elephant is der Elefant. Now you can say, das sind ein kleiner und ein großer Elefant. You don't need to say Elefant twice, but you can. You can also say, das sind ein kleiner Elefant und ein großer Elefant. Both are fine. This is a broken egg. Broken, you may have heard that before, it means kaputt. Das ist ein kaputtes Ei. Ei is neuter. This is a fast car. Yes, Auto is neuter. Das ist ein schnelles Auto. This is a tired boy. Das ist ein müder Junge. This is German money. German, the adjective, is like the language Deutsch. And money is neuter, das Geld. Yeah, now you're talking about money in general, so again you can leave the article out. Das ist deutsches Geld. One thing about the nationality adjectives, in English you spell them with a capital letter, in German you don't. They're just like regular adjectives with a small letter. So, das ist deutsches Geld. Deutsch is written with a small d. And the last one, this is a sad girl. Sad means traurig. Das ist ein trauriges Mädchen. For traurig, just as in fleißig, you pronounce the last letters like ich when it's in its basic form. Traurig, fleißig. But if you decline it, if you add other letters after that G, then the G becomes hard. So ein fleißiges Mädchen or ein trauriges Mädchen. Good. Do you want worksheets, audio files and vocabulary lists for these lessons? Check the description below to see how to get them. Tschüss!